Welcome back to our channel. Journey as we take you on a ride along the stunning highways of Dubai. Buckle up and get ready to witness the marvels of modern engineering and the grandeur of this magnificent city. Our adventure begins on Sheikh Zayed Road, the lifeline of Dubai's transportation network. This iconic highway stretches as far as the eye can see, lined with towering skyscrapers that define the city's skyline. As we cruise along, marvel at the architectural wonders that flank the highway. The Burj Khalifa, the world's tallest building, rises majestically, piercing the clouds with its gleaming spire. Its presence is a testament to Dubai's ambition and determination to push the boundaries of possibility. Look to your left, and you'll catch a glimpse of the luxurious Dubai Marina, a captivating waterfront district adorned with sleek yachts and upscale residences. The highway gracefully weaves through this modern paradise, offering glimpses of pristine beaches and opulent resorts. The highway's well-designed lanes ensure a smooth and efficient flow of traffic, reflecting the meticulous planning that went into Dubai's infrastructure. Advanced transportation systems keep everything running seamlessly, allowing you to enjoy a seamless journey. As we continue our ride, notice the interchanges and flyovers that seamlessly connect different parts of the city. Dubai's transportation network is a testament to its commitment to innovation and convenience, ensuring that residents and visitors alike can navigate the city effortlessly. The highway unfolds like a tapestry, revealing glimpses of the Palm Jumeirah, an awe-inspiring man-made island shaped like a palm tree. Adorned with luxurious hotels, residences, and a vibrant nightlife, this masterpiece showcases Dubai's ability to transform dreams into reality. Our journey reaches its crescendo as we pass by the Dubai Water Canal, a captivating waterway that winds its way through the city. Admire the beautifully illuminated bridges and the dazzling skyline reflected in the shimmering waters, creating a breathtaking sight that will stay etched in your memory. As our ride along the Dubai Highway comes to a close, we hope you've been captivated by the city's grandeur and the marvels of its infrastructure. Dubai, a city that seamlessly blends tradition with innovation, continues to redefine what is possible. Joining us on this unforgettable journey. Until we meet again, keep exploring and embracing the wonders of Dubai.